Bast cordless car vacuums. Cars get messy fast, and let's be honest, those gas station vacuums never really do the job. I got tired of dragging extension cords out to the driveway every time I spilled snacks or tracked in dirt, so I bought the top 5 cordless car vacuums on the market to see which ones actually suck in a good way. I tested them on everything from dog hair to sand, so you don't have to waste your money on weak gadgets. Here is what I found.
Product number 1, 18,000 PA car vacuum and air duster. First, I grabbed this 18,000 PA model. It feels solid in the hand, not cheap or flimsy. When I tested it, the suction was surprisingly strong for its size. I threw some sand and crumbs on my floor mats, and the 130-watt motor picked it right up without stalling. What's cool is it's not just a vacuum. I swapped the nozzle and used it as a blower to blast dust out of my air vents, which actually worked better than I expected. It's pretty quiet too, didn't hurt my ears inside the closed car. The battery lasted about half an hour on the eco setting, which was enough to do the whole sedan. If you need something that doubles as a duster for your dashboard, this is a solid pick. Speaking of high power, product number 2, 28,000 PA 4-in-1 handheld vacuum. Then I moved to this silver model, claiming a massive 28,000 PA suction. Holding it, it feels premium and ready for heavy duty. I tested it on some stubborn pet hair woven into the carpet, and honestly, it pulled it out easier than the first one. The 4-in-1 design is handy, but my favorite part was the dustbin. You just press a button and the trash shoots out. I didn't have to get my hands dirty digging out clumps of hair, which is a huge plus if you suffer from allergies like I do. It comes with 9 different attachments, so I could reach way under the seats. If you want maximum raw power and hate touching dirt, you'll love this. Now let's look at something a bit sleeker. Product number 3, Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. I picked up the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex and immediately noticed how light it is, barely over a pound. It feels like holding a water bottle. It's not the most powerful on paper, but in my testing, it was perfect for detailing. I used it to clean out my cup holders and the gear shift area where crumbs always hide. The 19,000 pass suction is plenty for chips and dust, though it might struggle with deep pile rugs compared to the last one. I really liked the max mode for quick messes, but just know it drains the battery faster. The one-touch empty feature is smooth, and the build quality feels very modern. This is definitely the one for people who want a dedicated tool for keeping their car interiors spotless day to day. If you need a bit more runtime though. Product number 4, 20,000 PA mini vacuum and air duster. I tried this next 20,000 PA unit and it felt very balanced in my grip. I took it out to my truck where I had some dried mud and gravel. The 130-watt motor handled the heavier debris without clogging, which is rare for these small handhelds. It comes with a flexible extension hose that I use to get deep under the pedals, a spot I usually miss. The LED light was actually useful for seeing under the seats, which was a nice touch. I got about 30 minutes of runtime, which is great because I didn't feel rushed. It's a workhorse. If you need a reliable all-rounder that comes with a ton of useful accessories for every nook and cranny, give this one a shot. But if weight is your biggest concern, product number 5, 4-in-1 mini cordless vacuum. When I picked it up, I couldn't believe it was only 1 pound. It's super easy to maneuver around the steering wheel and door pockets without your arm getting tired. I tested the 16,800 PA suction on some spilled cereal, and it cleaned it up in seconds. It also has a blowing mode, which I used to inflate a pool float just to see if it could, and it did. The dust cup is a bit smaller, so I had to empty it once during the clean, but the portability makes up for it. If you want something ultra portable to keep in the glove box for emergencies or road trips, this is the perfect travel buddy. So whether you need raw power for pet hair or something light for quick touch-ups, one of these will do the job. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description below so you can check the current prices and see what's on sale right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.